Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection but you cannot use the Google Play Store or any browser on Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So first let's try to download something from Google Play Store. Here we have Call of Duty Mobile, and if we click on install it changes into pending mode and it's stuck like that forever. Let's cancel it for now and move on to our browser. Here we can refresh or go to any website, and as you can see there's also some kind of a problem. Now to fix both of these issues we'll need to find the general management settings on our phone. There should be at the bottom of the settings page. Here is a date and time which needs to be set as an automatic date and time. If you go back and try to download this game again, it should begin the download now. And the same is with Google Chrome, so we can move there and refresh the page, which will load properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.